Hello, welcome to the Drat Web App tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will be going over the functions of Dowstrademus Web Application. With this app, you will gain access to our algorithm-derived stocks and options trade alerts alongside every necessary resource to help simplify your due diligence research. The Drat Web App is a must-have tool for all types of investors, beginners or experienced traders. Once you sign up and log in, the first tab we urge you to go to is the Settings tab. Please change your password from the default password you were given. In the settings, you will be able to change your profile picture, view your subscription plans, edit your email, include a phone number, set your email and SMS notifications for your alerts and triggers, change your password, and also set your application appearance. In this tutorial, we will be using the dark mode appearance. The Notifications tab gives you the ability to set your email notifications for the trade alerts and also control what types of alerts you want to receive. You can turn on or off which specific subscription alerts you want sent to you through email. These notification settings are incredibly useful and important if you wish to stay on top of your active trades and new trade alerts. If you set your email notifications and wish to obtain new trade alerts and tracker notifications, you will not even have to log on to the application to receive trade alerts the moment they are populated. The next section we will cover is the dashboard. This is the home page of the system. After you log in, you will be automatically redirected to the dashboard. The dashboard will include several useful pieces of overview information. The first part that may stand out to you is the portfolio information. You will be able to see this if you have the app connected to your broker account. This gives an overview of your portfolio value, buying power, and equity value. You also have the Dion credits information here. Dion is a DRAT algorithm tool that we will cover later in this video. The eye icon to the right allows you to hide your portfolio information if you need to. Below is a graph that shows data on the daily stock market with active stocks as well as the top gainers and losers. Next to this graph is an overview on the commodities and indices performance of the day, and below that are top news headlines that are updated as soon as they are released. If you don't have a broker connected and you are in the demo mode, your dashboard will look a little different. The demo feature is extremely useful for investors that wish to test their trading skills and improve their habits before actually taking live trades. The demo mode allows you to simulate the trade alerts and track their performance. We also have the tracker feature in both modes that allows you to track alerts without taking a trade in them. The Trade Alerts tab is the next section we are going to take a look at. In the Trade Alerts tab, you can see all trade alerts. The alerts are divided amongst different tabs. Each tab contains a specific type of alert. For example, all of the small caps trade alerts our system produces will be listed underneath the Small Caps Alerts tab. You might also see a few other tabs here depending on your subscription type. Tabs that may be available to you include the large caps, options, trade challenges, and more. On the far right of the screen, you will see a few icons. This icon allows you to change the trade alerts view from boxes to a grid view. This one allows you to filter the alerts by date and symbols. The More Info link gives you some basic information about the stock. The Track button will add the trade alert to your trackers, allowing you to track the progress of the trade without trading it. This is another tool that we will go over in a little bit. The Trade button is the Auto Trade button. Clicking this button will prompt an order ticket to appear. By clicking the Trade button on the alert, the DRAT system will automatically insert all of the data listed on the trade into the Smart Ticket. You have the ability to change any of the default prices or the amount of shares you wish to invest in the trade. You can also set trailing profits, have the Smart Ticket cancelled if it isn't filled by a certain date and time, and add notes. After reviewing all of the information listed in the order box, you can click the Trade button. This will place an order for your auto trade. Keep in mind that if you are in the demo mode of the application, all of the trades and orders you make will be simulations. This means that if you place an order for one of the trade alerts, it will place a simulated order. We provide this feature for anyone to test trades they may not be making live. It is a useful tool for getting to know the system and what kinds of stocks fit your trading style without having to worry about risks. If you are in live mode as I am right now, you will get the summary box. If you are satisfied, you can confirm the order and the smart trader will trade the alert based on the information entered on your broker account without you having to do anything else. When each order is executed, you will get an email alert confirming when it buys, sells, or exits at stop loss or trailing profits. For more information on the Smart Trader, please watch the Smart Trader video tutorial on our YouTube channel. The completed alerts section is basically an overview of the performance of each trade alert. This shows the overview of each alert that has been completed and the winning percentage for that alert type. At Dowstrademus, we pride ourselves in the performance of our system, so we are transparent with the information the completed alerts show. The feature displays all the alerts that hit the second target or exited at the stop loss. The next section of the Drat Trader app is the Tools section. In the Tools section, we have two tabs, the Ask Drat tool and the Dion tool. The Ask Drat feature gives you the ability to look up relevant basic information for any stock on the market. The Dion tool is our algorithm that helps run analytics on any stock to see if there is a viable risk versus reward trade. It functions similarly to what we get with our trade alerts. To use the Ask Drat tool, simply type in any stock symbol you wish to research. Tesla can be used as an example. Type in TSLA, Tesla's stock symbol, and in a few moments, relevant investing information regarding Tesla will appear on your screen. An interactive graph showing Tesla's market prices can be seen when you first load into the search. Below the graph is basic information regarding the company. If you scroll down further, you may find the recent insider information the company has, as well as institutional information. Recent news and SEC filings from Tesla are also shown here. If you wish to get more information on SEC filings outside what you see, you can use the filing search section below. For example, if you wish to find all the Form 4s Tesla has filed, you can type in TSLA followed by the form you wish to find, in this case 4. Then you would follow it up with the amount of forms you wish to see. We can use 4 as an example. The system will produce 4 of Tesla's most recently filed Form 4s, and you have the ability to examine each of these forms closely by clicking on them. This tool is useful for doing your due diligence and researching all of your trades before you make your investment decisions. The second part of the tools section is Dion. In order to use the Dowstrademus Dion algorithm, you will need Dion credits. Each subscription comes with a number of Dion credits and they roll over, but you can purchase extra credits if needed. You can find the amount of Dion credits you have on the dashboard. To use the Dion algorithm, type in any stock you wish to find a trade alert for and press enter. The Dion system will analyze the stock and give you an alert if it can find a plausible trade. For example, you may type in AAOI and press enter. The program will analyze AAOI and then give you the most profitable trade alert it can produce. This is where the Dion credits come to use. Each time you use the Dion search engine, you will use up 1 credit. The trade alerts are all produced by the same algorithm that runs the Dion system. You can auto-trade the Dion alerts the same way you do with the regular trade alerts. Keep in mind that your previous Dion searches will be saved in case you wish to return to it. The next section of the Drat Trader app we will be going over in this tutorial is the Trackers section. This is a fairly simple yet useful function. Trade alerts you track by clicking on the track button will appear here. The Drat system will give you live market updates of the trades you are tracking. You may notice that the tool is split into 2 parts, your regular trackers and your Dion trackers. Your regular trackers will track any trades you marked from the trade alerts section, whereas the Dion trackers will show you the progression of any trades you track from Dion queries. The triggers section houses all the trade alert triggers. Triggers are progress notifications for each of the trade alerts the system produces. Notifications that may be seen include stop loss, target hits, and percentage up notifications such as 10% profit, 20% profit, 100% profit, and others. The triggers function will notify you which trade alerts have reached a certain point in their progression. In this section, you will also be able to search for specific stocks triggers without having to scroll through the list by using the search function. For example, if we want to find trade triggers for MFH, all we have to do is type in MFH in the search bar and click filter. We can see that the trade has hit the 20% profit mark since the last alert was released. The next tab we will be going over in this tutorial is the Newsfeed tab. The Newsfeed feature produces recent headlines for any of the stocks on the Drat system. The tool is spread over 8 separate tabs listed as Healthcare, Hot News, Halts, Offerings, Splits, Crypto, NFTs, and OTC News. Healthcare contains all news regarding medical press releases and healthcare-related headlines. The Hot News tab produces all headlines related to any important, influential, or emergency breaking news that may affect the stock market. The Halts is dedicated to all halted stocks and their status. The Offering will notify you of all offerings and dilutions occurring in the stock market that may be of importance. The splits section of the newsfeed tool shows you the news of all the splits that may appear in the market. The crypto tab contains all news related to cryptocurrencies and their current status. The NFT news section covers all headlines related to non-fungible tokens, such as major transactions. And lastly, the OTC newsfeed will list all news related to the OTC market. The inbox section is the next function that can be seen in the Dowstrader app. This houses any correspondence or system messages sent by admins to you. Finally, the resources section of the web app is separated into 3 parts: the PDFs, the videos, and the sheets. The PDFs section of the resource function lists documents, links, and other PDFs that can be easily accessed by any of our members. The Videos tab includes and allows you to watch all the educational videos created by Dowstrademus. Finally, the Sheets section displays all the P&L data sheets from the DRAT system. This includes track records as well as other informational documents. These resources are available for anybody in the Dowstrademus community to access at your convenience. All of the easy-to-use features of the Dowstrader app are at your disposal as a member of the Dowstrademus community. As part of convenience, you can always switch to Discord from the web app by clicking on the Discord button on the dashboard. The Dowstrademus Discord server has all of the same features, but using the Smart Trader is reserved for the web app. We welcome all suggestions and feedback as you use the new web app features to improve your investment habits and reduce your risks when trading with the DRAT system. For more informational investment videos on the DRAT system, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our official YouTube channel, and check out some of our other video tutorials. To sign up for our trade alerts and Smart Trader for automated trading, please visit our website at dowstrademus.com or contact our support team using the information on the page. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on our exclusive DRAT web app, and we hope you enjoy your time trading with the Dowstrademus community.